Hi, my name is Kylie.
My name is Allison, and we are part of the Generic Goats FLL Team 61621.
Our innovation project is about how we can help visually impaired people and blind people to love coloring as much as we do. So we have this crayon, and we actually made a cover for it, and it has embossed Braille and normal English print, and there are objects and stuff that go with the colors. So for purple we have grape.
For blue, we have water.
For green we have a frog.
For red, we have fire. I'm very sorry.
And for yellow,
We have lemon.
yes. And for blue we have water.
And we made it to where it's an octagonal shape on the bottom so that it doesn't roll over the table. If you would like the code, the CAD printing code, we're very happy to send it to you. Thank you.
Thank you.